Good day, guys. If you're looking for a free alternative to Goodnotes, there are several apps that let you write, draw, and annotate just like Goodnotes without spending a dime. And the first alternative is Microsoft OneNote. So it's free across iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and web. You can create unlimited notebooks, draw with stylus, type notes, and organize everything with sections and tags. It also syncs across all your devices automatically. And now the second alternative is Zornal++. So it's an open source project and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It supports handwriting, highlighting, PDF annotation, and is highly customizable. Perfect if you want a free tool with powerful features. The third option is Notability free tier. So it lets you write, type, and record audio notes. The free version includes basic features that are perfect for students or casual note-taking. And the last alternative is Adobe PDF Viewer. So it's great if you mainly annotate PDFs. And also Google Keep works well for quick handwritten notes or doodles and syncs everywhere, ideal for simple, fast notes. And how do we choose a proper app? So if you want full notebooks and syncing, use OneNote, open source flexibility, Zornal++, and PDFs only, Adobe PDF Viewer works perfectly. And that's your quick guide. Hopefully these alternatives make use for you. If you did like the video, guys, don't forget to support us by liking the video and of course subscribing.